Have you ever wondered how some men seem to effortlessly attract and seduce the most beautiful women? How they make women obsessed with them, even when they barely know each other? It's a secret that high-value men know, but most other men don't. It's the secret to making women obsessed with you, even if you're not conventionally attractive or successful. Today, we are going to reveal the secrets that these men use to make women obsessed with them. It's not just about looks, money, or status. High-value men know that true seduction is about connecting with a woman on a deep emotional level. So, if you want to become a high-value man and attract the women you desire, then sit back, relax, and let's dive into the video. 1. Vulnerability. Vulnerability is the secret weapon in a high-value man's arsenal to connect with women on a deeper level. By being unafraid to let his guard down and reveal his true self, a man shows the woman that he trusts her enough to let her in. This creates a safe haven for the woman to open up as well, and the two can form an unbreakable emotional bond. When a man is willing to be vulnerable, he becomes the catalyst for a connection that goes beyond physical attraction and takes on a whole new level of intimacy and authenticity. Sharing his passions, fears, and desires with a woman allows a man to reveal his inner world, which can be incredibly alluring. It indicates that he is confident in his identity and unafraid to be vulnerable, while also demonstrating that he values the woman's opinion and trusts her with his deepest thoughts and feelings. This level of vulnerability can establish a powerful emotional connection that can drive a woman to become infatuated with the man. When a woman feels that she truly understands and connects with a man on an emotional level, it can be an incredibly potent experience. This connection can make her feel appreciated, acknowledged, and valued, all of which are critical emotional needs. Moreover, this emotional vulnerability can foster a sense of intimacy and trust between a man and a woman. When a man is willing to share his vulnerabilities with a woman, it can establish a sense of mutual experience and emotional connection. This can deepen the bond between them and provide a solid foundation for a long-lasting relationship. Ultimately, vulnerability is a crucial trait that successful men use to seduce women. By being unafraid to reveal their true selves, they can create a robust emotional connection that can spark obsession in women. 2. Thoughtfulness. The art of thoughtfulness is a magical quality possessed by high-value men that can enchant women like a spell. A thoughtful man has an innate ability to recognize the little things that matter to a woman, like the sparkle in her eye when she talks about her passions, the quirks that make her unique, and the moments that bring her joy. By taking the time and effort to cater to these details, a man shows that he values her happiness and well-being above all else. From simple gestures to grand gestures, thoughtfulness is the glue that cements the bond between a man and a woman and ignites a woman's obsession with the man who holds her heart. When a man displays thoughtfulness towards a woman, it can forge a robust emotional connection between them. It demonstrates to the woman that she is a priority in his life and that he cares for her happiness and well-being. This can generate a sense of reciprocity and gratitude in the woman's mind, fueling her obsession with the man. In addition, thoughtfulness can also reveal a man's emotional intelligence and ability to empathize with others. A thoughtful man can put himself in the woman's shoes and consider her desires and needs in a given situation. This can create a sense of understanding and connection between them, further deepening their emotional bond. Overall, thoughtfulness is a potent tool that high-value men use to create lasting emotional connections with women. By paying attention to the smallest details and making a deliberate effort to show they care, they can make women feel valued and appreciated, stoking their obsession with the man. 3. A mysterious man can be like a puzzle that a woman wants to solve, and the more she learns about him, the more she wants to know. This can create a sense of anticipation and excitement that can make her feel alive and captivated. Additionally, a man who is mysterious can also be seen as confident and independent, which are attractive qualities in themselves. A man who is mysterious can also come across as confident and self-assured, as he appears comfortable in his own skin and doesn't feel the need to reveal every detail about himself. This can be interpreted as a sign of strength and independence, which can be appealing to women who are attracted to men who exude power and confidence. However, it is important to note that being too mysterious or secretive can also be a turnoff for some women, as it can create a sense of mistrust or discomfort. Therefore, finding the right balance between being intriguing and open is key in using mysteriousness as a tool in seduction. When used correctly, it can create a sense of excitement and intrigue that can make a woman obsessed with a man. As we come to the end of this video, we hope that you have a better understanding of getting women obsessed with you. But remember, the most important thing is to be true to yourself and let your unique qualities shine. So go out there and let your confidence do the talking, and who knows, you might just be surprised by the results. And if you're looking to dive deeper into understanding women and what they find attractive, be sure to check out this video on things women instantly notice in a man. Thanks for watching.